The Z1 is the world's first 27-inch all-in-one professional workstation.
The genesis of the Z1 started with customers.
I think we got a winner.
Our customers' work environments are getting smaller.
This is what I saw in Japan.
I walked into this room and there were about 25 engineers on card tables. And on top of the card table was an HP Z200 workstation tower, a 24-inch display, keyboard, mice, cables, and they were elbow to elbow, shoulder to shoulder. That hit me.
All right, here it is. We have this idea. It's going to be a workstation. It's going to be an all-in-one. It's going to be a professional display, professional graphics.
How are we going to do that? You know, we have a lot of experience in workstation design, but there are many things that we really, to be honest, didn't know how to do.
In designing an all-in-one workstation, there were a number of real serious technical issues that we had to resolve.
The biggest one was figuring out a way to allow users access to the inside.
One of the elements of ZDNA was being able to open that lid up and get in there and service it all.
The next was designing a stand that could position the system. And then the third was fitting all that computer into a 27-inch monitor space.
The HP Z1 incorporates a wide LED backlit display, which displays over 1 billion colors, and it's viewable from all the way up to a 178-degree viewing angle.
The Z1 workstation has Xeon class processors. It's got NVIDIA class professional graphics, ECC memory.
We support a single 3.5-inch drive, which is large, and we also support dual 10K drives, which are really high performance. We needed to make sure that we could get enough airflow over the 10K dual drives.
How we're going to keep this thing cool, because we've got 400 watts of power inside this box.
One way to get rid of heat is to put fans inside the system to cool it. Those fans create high levels of noise.
You want to turn down the fans. One way we've done that on the Z1 is to add mini sensors for temperatures.
We've become renowned for having workstations that are extremely quiet.
The whisper quiet is around 20 decibels.
When you look at the product, you say, this is very sleek and very slim, yet the product itself has all the performance of a workstation class product.
As we look at our HP workstation lineup, one of the things we've led the industry in is the toolless design.
Toolless design means that in order to repair or upgrade most components inside the Z1 workstation, you do not need to have any tools. Plain and simple.
You can pop the hood, change the graphics card, upgrade the memory, swap out the hard drives. We invest with our ISV partners to certify that there's a performance experience on a workstation. So when you buy an HP workstation, you're getting an experience that's certified to work with the applications you need.
We've implemented SRS premium sound. What we believe is that the sound quality of this workstation exceeds that of other all-in-ones that are currently out on the market. We've also added a lot of capability to connect external devices, things such as USB 3, digital audio out, media card reader. We also have a full high-definition webcam and then a microphone array on the front of the system.
What makes it special is what we like to refer to as ZDNA. It's this fundamental fabric that exists in our products that includes this concept of reliability and serviceability.
The HP Z1 really encapsulates the spirit and the mission of HP workstations. It's that performance, and then the reliability falls under that. The elegance is really key with the HP Z1.
They actually have a shock absorber that when you close it, it closes real fast, but for the last 10 millimeters, it closes real slow. It's beautiful.
It's going to provide users, unparalleled accessibility in an all-in-one, unparalleled compactness in the workstation. It's going to be one of the best displays available out there, and frankly, it's going to be the best looking workstation we've put together yet.